and your lovely accent, and I think it's gorgeous accent, and you never even got to use it in Derry Girls.
Isn't that what's the funny thing about acting? People say to me all the time, like, you don't sound from Derry in Derry Girls. That's so weird. And I'm all, I know, but I auditioned for the Ukrainian part. That's what happened. Funnily enough, I remember being on a train from like Derry to Belfast, I think it was, just after Derry Girls had come out, and a man came over to me and went, do you need directions? And I was like, I'm from here. You know? I was like, well done on the accent.
Do you still have the Ukrainian accent?
Absolutely not.
No, I did it one day. That's it. Nothing to do with that. Because it's interesting when a show like that kind of blows up. Because recently Nadine was talking about Nicola Coughlan basing her accent on hers and being like, I don't know if
Did
it was
you see the shade?
Yes.
Oh my God. I was like, Nadine, that is not how we behave in Derry.
She said, she was like, I don't think that Nicola Coughlan's accent was that good after Nicola Coughlan being like,
Yeah, she said she watched videos of me to try and do the Derry accent. She went, I think she should have watched some more.
What do you make of that?
Oh, I mean, we love Nadine. Nadine and I went to the same school.
Oh, did you?
No, she was 5 years older than me, and I remember I told people all the time that we knew each other after she got famous, because I wasn't living in Derry anymore. I was in Belfast, and I was like, yeah, me and Nadine, like that. And then I did a comedy show in the north for the BBC called Soft Border Patrol, and in like series 3 or something, they brought Nadine in as a special guest for an episode, and I was all, I need to tell everybody I don't know her, before they're like, your mate's on this. I'm like, who? So, yeah.
Love it.
Well, you
cut out.
Well, you gotta. Went to the same school. It's almost the same thing. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. You're best friends.
We were in a play together. She had a lead part and I was like a tree or something, but yeah.
It's really bad when you're the younger. They never know the younger ones, but you're always going to know. What a great claim to fame before it all starts. I know. You're doing